Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and very much excited for today's story. These days, I'm sharing the stories in which I'm trying to impart the lesson that all problems they are actually giving birth to a solution, and they're springboards. If we face and accept those challenges with high life spirit, so these are kind of springboards. Come up with solutions. Even our today's story is like that only. So without delay, let's begin. Close your eyes so that you can see the whole story as a movie playing in front of your eyes. So chalo, let's begin. There was once a hardworking farmer named Raghav who lived in a beautiful village surrounded by green valleys and hills. Raghav was known across the region for his dedication and honesty. He owned a large farm where he grew fragrant roses and juicy mangoes. Every year, people would wait eagerly to buy his crops because his products were always fresh, healthy, full of natural flavor. The year something amazing happened. His field was flourishing more than ever. Thousands of mangoes hung from the trees, glowing golden green in the sunlight. The sweet scent of roses danced in the air, and everyone in the village said, "This year will be Raghav's best harvest." Raghav, along with his family and helpers, worked day and night to protect the crop. The mangoes were almost ready for plucking. Just one more day, and they would harvest. They harvest them and send them to the city market. They planned to pack the roses too. This would be delivered to big flower shop across town. Everyone was excited, imagining the success that awaited them the next morning. But something life tasted us when we least expected. So this same thing happened. That evening, suddenly the sky turned dark. A strong wind began to blow. Birds rushed back to their nest. Trees bent and shook before anyone could understand what was happening. A wild and fierce Andi, a dust storm, struck the village. The wind roared like a giant lion. Branches broke, dust filled the air, and the trees were shaken violently. In just a few minutes, all the unripe mangoes fell down, thousands of them scattered and damaged. The rose plants were crushed, and most petals lay broken on ground. When the storm stopped, silence spread everywhere. Raghav looked at his field in shock. A year of hard work seemed ruined in a single night. His heart felt heavy. How would he pay wages? How would he support his family? Everyone around him began crying and worrying. His wife said softly, "Maybe God wanted to test us. Don't lose hope." But Raghav remained silent, staring at the fallen fruits. So next morning, instead of sitting and crying, Raghav stood up and said, "If the storm tried to destroy us, we will find a way to grow from it. I will not give up." He collected all the fallen roses and mangoes. An idea flashed into his mind like a spark of light. What if we turn these into processed product instead of throwing them? He immediately called all the village women and said excitedly, "Let us work together. We can make gulkan from rose petals. We can make amchur, dry mango powder, mango pickle, mango jam, and many more items instead of wasting. We will create value." The women were surprised at first, but his confidence motivated them. They all joined hands, and then the miracle of teamwork happened. They washed and cleaned the rose petals carefully. They dried the raw mango pieces in the sun, added spices, sugar, salt. They crushed some mangoes into pulp and prepared delicious jam and sharbats. So the entire village smelled sweet and tangy with rose gulkand and mango pickles. They packed everything beautifully using jars, traditional cloths, and handmade labels. When they took these products to market, something unbelievable happened. People loved them. The product sold faster than fresh fruits and flour ever did. The profit was double, sometimes even triple. Raghav gave a share of the profit to every woman who worked with him. The villagers celebrated with joy. For the first time, many women earned their own income and felt proud. Everyone cheered. We turned disaster into opportunity. Raghav smiled and said, "Nature taught us a lesson. Sometimes problems come not to stop us, but to show us a better path. If we think creatively, every failure becomes a springboard to success." From that day, Raghav started a full-time food processing unit, teaching others how to preserve and increase the value of farm products. Many farmers joined him and improved their lives. And whenever anyone felt discouraged, they remembered his words: "Never lose hope. When we fall, we rise stronger." And this is actually the moral of the story. These days, I'm sharing many stories of this kind where there is a spark of hope in disasters, which will help you understand that there is no problem in world which is having no solution. So we should focus on solution, not the problem. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is never give up when difficulties come. And think creatively instead of complaining. Teamwork multiplies strength. And one more thing which we learn is every problem hides an opportunity. We need to recognize it and do accordingly. Processing and value addition are keys to success. Not only in this farm products, but everywhere. You will see it could be applied. So this is the complete story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed this story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. And please do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Lots of blessings. Good night.